What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Just want to give you a heads up right now. I'm working on the staircase to the HogOn Cafe. It is a rainy day outside, so I'm in here doing this, actually lining out what I got to line out before I got to run to the steel company real quick and pick up a piece of angle that I need to finish this project. So I'm going to grab that angle, and then I'm going to fall back here and finish assembling this staircase. So that's what I'm doing today, working on stage 13, which is the staircase part, which fabricating the height. And normally what you do is, unless you're going to buy one, you want to see how high you're going, and then you can be able to determine the length of your staircase. So this one is actually a high cube, so it's 9.5 feet tall pretty much. So I had to make sure that I had that type of distance when I was building this. So just giving you a heads up on what I'm working on. Like I say, today I planned on killing several birds with one stone at the shop, which is at the garage. It's running good. Like I said, I'm just sitting here actually just lining a few things out. As you see, I like to draw things out, and it makes it a whole lot easier when you're lining it out because you know what your pieces go. And then if you line it out with your metal on top of one another, line everything out, because that way you have your right and your left side already together. So normally when I make one, the bottom want to go down, and then the only thing that changes is the angle, which that's what I got to pick up. So I'll show you that process here today shortly. As far as when I start laying it out, I'll make sure that I probably go live and just show you how I tack it up and lay it out. I'm still cutting my pieces right now, and that's a part of the process. Normal, sometimes when you fabricating, depends on how many pieces. Sometimes you can have a day or 2 days just cutting parts before you actually start fabricating. This one I have a few hours of just cutting parts, and then I'm gonna fall back and start tacking everything up and then welding it out. And this process is actually, I have to drill holes, I have to line it up, fit it, and then put the wood pieces in, which I have to go pick up the tread. So that's something else I have to do. I have a few of them up here, but I need 13, I believe. So I got to go pick up 13 treads to put in. And I'm using regular wood, and I'm going to stain the wood with some wood stainer to help it last longer for the environment. But it's also going to have a piece of tubing going under the wood too, to help the support as far as bracing it as you walk up, so that way it'll be a stronger brace as you walk up the staircase. But my goal is to, like I say, make it handmade and to do this whole project handmade to give you a potential of what you can do. Hold on.